Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make your artwork look like if it is painted on canvas. So I have this drawing I made using my oil and acrylic brush sets, which is this one. Some of them already have the textures of canvas, but besides that I also use this canvas texture brush bag. So there are many ways to do this, and of course it will depend on what you like, what you're looking for. But one thing I really like is to actually play with some of them, to place even two at the same time, or the same texture with two different tones of colors. So let's say we have our drawing. You can see here the drawing is in more or less 3 layers, and then on top of those layers you place, this is my signature, okay, on top of those layers you can place a new layer. Take the brush you like from the textures, like the texture you like. For example, this is like thick oil. And one simple way to do it is like all the way with opacity 100%, big size, and I try to choose like a medium color that is related to the drawing, or to have an old look. Old things sometimes looks very yellowish, right? So let's try some like golden ochre style. So one way is doing this. Let me zoom in, sorry, and you can see the texture over here. And then we're gonna go to layers and change from normal to multiply. And now you can see that old look, but it's like too much maybe. So let's reduce the opacity a little bit, and then you can decide the opacity here. I like to try different colors to see if it's what I'm looking for. Let's go for a really bright green so you can see the difference. This looks like a green screen for movies. And okay, let's try multiply. Maybe some green light into the drawing, and you can either place both and get some lighting. Let's say you don't like that green at all, and we can then clear these and use some of the blues here. I draw that with this palette. What it is, that was a long time ago. But here it is. I draw it with this palette. Okay, so we use this. Let's see, using a blue palette, how it looks like. And let's turn this off so we can see what is happening here. Now you can see some of the texture, but it's a light color. It doesn't show much when the color is similar. So that's why I'm saying that to use some color that makes some contrast. And also you can use like half and half. For example, like make something here yellowish to also have some lights from the sun, for example, and here some blue, so you have some reflection from the sea color, for example. So also you can use like dirt colors kind of thing. So let's try this one. Now you can see even more the difference when I place it, and go, for example, for a medium look. Maybe it could be interesting to use these both of this. Maybe less yellow. And playing with this, you can make different combinations. Also, sometimes you can even place them with the overlay or light and color. You can see the difference. You can put more light, for example, with this, and it looks like here in the boat we have more reflection from the light, which is really nice. I like it. And if we zoom in, you can see the effect of that. Besides this one, in the set you can find, for example, like this thick thread one. I like it too. Let's go with like yellowish again. For some reason I like this one. It's too pattern for this size of canvas, so I will actually try to reduce that pattern, like maybe here, and go like this. Now let's see how it looks. You can see here the difference. And let's say in this zoom in view, let's change so you see the difference between this and this. You don't see much difference when I put this one because I already use that brush to draw, so there is some textures already in the brush. And well, bluish, and this is too much. The combination of these two will be too much, but interesting. And maybe we can also, this one looks interesting, a bit greenish look. So my take from here is play around with the layer to find, for example, this one I really like. It looks like a old abandoned boats. So it will depend on what you want from your oh, this one, yes, it looks really old, like something maybe you find in a, I don't know, zombie movie, an abandoned house in a zombie movie. But I really like how this boat is looking actually with that. And so my take, as I said, is play around with the layer, the colors, and you will have really nice combinations for the same, even for the same illustration. So I hope you like it. The link of this is in the description, and if you have any questions, also write below. Subscribe to the channel so I can make more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.